Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This place is Pargar, which is actually between Savantwadi and Tilari Nagar. There is a famous fort called Pargar Fort. The rain didn't stop and I was riding in a Josh. I didn't realize the camera was pointed downwards. And after riding about 30-35 minutes, we reached this place, which is just few kilometers before the falls. My friend was actually complaining a little, but I convinced him, saying this is what we came to Maharashtra for. This water resistant cover is of good use, but not to a complete extent because of this back portion of the bag. However, we made good use of it, and thanks to Decathlon Rainways, we proceeded towards Tilari Nagar. Literally there was no place to take shelter and it was raining continuously, as you could see. This is Tilari Nagar. It was a junction where you could see many shops. A few shops you can actually charge your mobiles or gadgets if you want to, and you get hot tea and mirchi bhajis here. Finding the popular waterfalls was a very big task. There were literally no signboards, and even after asking the locals, they couldn't actually tell us the exact location of the falls. And even with maps, we found it very difficult because all the lanes looked almost similar. My advice is, please download offline maps to these places, because once you reach these places, there is no network coverage. I had to stop several times and ask people. Finally, a group of bikers came to the rescue, who had pointed towards the right direction, but still the lanes. We had been riding through roads from bad roads to literally no roads, and you could see the speedometer of my bike from single digit to barely touching the double digit. We were a little relaxed because seeing vehicles, we were a little assured that we are not so far from the actual place. Finally, this is the place, and I was seated, resting for a while. This was a failed attempt to show you exactly how the place looked like. The water is of course falling into a deep gorge kind of thing, And we were in no mood because there's no time for us to see, as we were proceeding towards another place after this. Let me show you a close picture of how the place actually looked like. Guys out here, we're having a very good time in this kind of weather and in a place like this, and we continued moving towards the next place. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video.